Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture we are going to discuss training of teachers at elementary level, which is unit number 4.2 topic. And first we start with teacher training at elementary level in Pakistan is essential for preparing educators to effectively teach young students in primary and middle school grades. Typically, it starts from grade 1 and grade 2, grade 8. Here is an overview of teacher training at the elementary level in Pakistan. Number 1 is prerequisite education. Aspiring elementary level teachers typically need to complete their higher secondary education from grade 11 and 12 before pursuing teacher training programs. Then teacher training programs. Elementary level teacher training programs in Pakistan are typically offered as 1 year postgraduate diploma in education, which is PGD or PGDE, or Bachelors of Education program, which is B.Ed. These programs are available in public and private institutions including universities, teacher training colleges and institutions dedicated to education. Then program content. Teacher training programs at the elementary level include coursework in pedagogical techniques, educational psychology, classroom management, curriculum development and subject specialization for teacher multiple subjects at the primary level. There is a focus on child psychology and development, as understanding the needs and characteristics of young learners is crucial. Then we discuss practical training experience. Teacher candidates typically undergo practical teacher experiences, which may include student teaching or internship in primary schools. Then these experiences provide hands-on opportunities for trainee teachers to apply what they have learned in a real classroom setting. Subject specialization. While elementary teachers need to be generalists and teach various subjects, teacher training programs often provide subject-specific training to ensure competency in subjects like mathematics, science, social studies and language arts. Then curriculum and assessment. Teacher training programs align with the national or provisional curriculum standards to ensure that educators are prepared to teach the required content. Trainees learn about assessment and evaluation methods in elementary education. Then pedagogical training. Teacher candidates are taught pedagogical methods that are effective for teaching young children. This includes strategies for creating engaging and developmentally appropriate lesson plans. Then language proficiency. Proficiency in the medium of instructions, either it is Urdu or regional language, is crucial for elementary teachers to effectively communicate with their students. Professional development. Ongoing professional development is encouraged for elementary level teachers to stay updated on educational trends, teaching methodologies and curriculum changes. Then certification and licensing. Upon successfully completion their teacher training programs, individuals may need to pass certification exams or meet other assessment criteria, which is set by provincial or regional education authorities to obtain teaching licenses. What about teaching licenses and empowerment is, after obtaining the necessary qualification and licenses, teacher level elementary can apply for teaching positions in public and private and middle schools. It is important to note that the teacher training at the elementary level in Pakistan can vary by province or region, and each province or regional education authority may have its own specific policies and standards for teacher training and certifications. Therefore, individuals interested in becoming elementary level teachers should consult the specific education authorities or individuals in their area for the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding teacher training at this level in Pakistan.